Dear student, how are you? I am R.P. Singh, an eminent expert educator of biochemistry. I shall teach to you electrochemistry, but current lecture based on the electrolytic conductance. You understand carefully my lectures. I shall explain the lectures in both the medium Hindi and English. Lecture completely focused on the question of NEET, AIMS, PVT, class 12th and other competitive examinations related to chemistry. Please see your video up to the end. Please comes on the first slide. I shall explain the electrolytic conductance. Electrolytic conductance, power of passing of electricity in electrolytic solution called electrolytic conductance. Passing of electricity in electrolytic solution called electrolytic conductance. First you understand the conductor. There are two types of conductor. Number one, metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. What is the difference between metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor? They are most important for UP board examination for intermediate classes. Metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. Some difference given below. You understand and listen here. Number one, current flow due to flow of electrons. In case of metallic conductor, flow of electricity is completely depend on the flow of electrons. In case of electrolytic conductance, flow of electricity due to flow of ions. Ions present in the electrolytic solution. Number two, no chemical decomposition of substance by passing of current. There are no decomposition of substance taking place by passing of electricity. If you use a wire, this is an example, if you use a wire for operating the cooler or AC, the structure of wires not change after operating. Chemical decomposition of substance on passing of current. Chemical decomposition of substance on passing of current. If a current is passed in electrolytic solution, the passing of electricity mainly depend on flow of ions. A electrolyte bound by bond. If the bond is a break between the electrolytic solution, then passing of electricity. So we called chemical decomposition of substance taking place by the passing of current. Please comes on the next slide. You understand the other difference. Number third, resistance is due to collision of kernels. Kernel, what is the kernel? Kernel, passing of electricity depend upon the atoms. If electrons escape from the atoms, the escaping atoms is called kernel or cations. Electron move toward the high tendency. Resistance due to interaction of solute, there are three ways. First you understand there are three ways for the interaction of resistance. Number one, solute, solvent and solvent. There are a aqueous solution of NaCl electrolyte. The resistance due to interaction depend upon solute means Na and Na, Cl minus and NaCl interaction. Second, solute, solvent, solute Na, this is the aqueous solution, H2O molecules around the Na solvent, so it is called hydration or solvation. Solute particles Na and solvent H2O, so you see H2O, 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 H2O. This phenomena is called hydration or solvation. Number third, solvent solvent interaction. Solvent solvent interaction means the solution contain water molecules. Water molecules attract with each other. These phenomena understood by a viscous force, viscosity or concentration. If, if the concentration more concentration, the mobility of ions is less. If lesser concentration, the mobility of the ions is more. Fourth and last number, increase the resistance due to increasing temperature. Resistance is directly proportional to the temperature. In case of electrolytic conductor, increased temperature, decreased resistance. Resistance is inversely proportional to temperature, decreased resistance, increasing temperature. These are the some difference between electrolytic conductor and metallic conductor. Please you comes on the next slide. Some general terms. First you understand there are 4 general terms in this lectures. First you understand these 4 terms. I shall explain these terms one by one. I shall divide these 4 terms into 2 groups. Number 1, resistance denoted by R, यूनिट ओम. फर्स्ट टर्म है कंडक्टेंस. सेकंड टर्म जस्ट इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. रेजिस्टेंस डिनोटेड बाई आर. कंडक्टेंस इक्वल टू 1/R. यूनिट ओम. जस्ट अपोजिट यूनिट महो, सीमेंस. There are 2 terms and the last 2 terms, specific resistance or resistivity. Number 3rd. Number 4th, specific conductance or conductivity. These last 2 terms, these are reciprocal to each other. Specific conductance rho equal to Ra/L, unit ohm meter or ohm centimeter. First you see quantity of electrolyte is a lesser amount, so unit of meter is not required. The work done in ohm centimeter. A and L for electrolytic conductor. First you see again. Please comes on the next slide. Resistance, 4 terms. I explain collectively on a single slide. Number 1, resistance equal to R, ohm, unit ohm. Second term, just is the reciprocal of resistance. Conductance equal to 1/R. R, resistance, just at opposite 1/R. Unit ohm, just opposite unit mho. Third terms, resistivity or specific resistance denoted by rho. Rho equal to Ra/L, ohm centimeter. Fourth terms, conductance or specific conductivity K. K means kappa. K means kappa. Resistivity denoted by rho. Conductivity just is the opposite of resistivity means 1 upon rho value of rho Ra upon L, kappa equal to conductance into cell constant, unit mho, ohm, centimeter. Unit is the just opposite of mho or Siemens centimeter inverse. Please comes on the next slide. This is the conductivity cell. Conductivity cell, electrodes, second electrodes, area of electrodes is A and distance between two electrodes is L. Cell constant equal to L upon A centimeter inverse. Specific resistance or resistivity rho if difference area of electrodes take common area of A. Area of two electrodes is difference, take a common area of electrodes. Rho equal to Ra upon L. I shall explain in previous slide. Conductivity kappa, specific conductivity K equal to 1 upon rho. Rho, value of rho Ra upon L, तो 1 upon rho, तो 1 upon Ra upon L. K kappa 1 upon R into L upon A. 1 upon R equal to conductance and L upon A cell constant. L upon A cell constant. K kappa equal to conductance into cell constant. Understand clearly. Comes on the next slide. Resistance, resistivity or specific resistance rho equal to Ra upon L. I have explained in previous slide. If A 1 centimeter square and A 1 centimeter square volume of electrolyte A into L, rho of electrolyte equal to resistance offered to all the ions of electrolyte that present in 1 ml solution. Resistance offered by ions of electrolyte that present in 1 ml solution or 1 centimeter cube. Please you see a figure on the next slide. 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube resistance offered by ions present in 1 centimeter cube or 1 ml. These are shown by a figure. I shall explain in previous slide. Like, subscribe and share to video. Please you like and subscribe, share to video. These are the your works. Conductance. What is conductance? Conductance due to all the ions present in 1 ml or 1 centimeter cube of electrolytic solution. It depends upon the concentration. Ions present in 1 centimeter cube or 1 ml, these are the complete depend upon the concentration. If concentration is more, the mobility of ions is less, but number of ions is more. If concentration is less concentration, mobility of ions is increased and number of ions is decreased. 200 MsCuSO4 का क्या कंडक्टेंस होगा? दिस इज ए टर्म्स इन 2 लाइन्स. क्या होगा? तो हम कहेंगे कोई हमें 1 ml का बता दे तो हम उसे 200 ml का कंडक्टेंस बता देंगे. 1 ml का कंडक्टेंस बराबर K, तो 200 ml का कंडक्टेंस 200 200 into K ohm centimeter inverse या Siemens centimeter inverse. Conductance equal to K into volume. There are two terms emerge called molar conductivity of electrolyte or equivalent conductivity of electrolyte. What are the problems these terms emerge? These two terms emerge on the basis of their number of ions present in 1 centimeter cube or 1 ml more or less, but not fixed in 1 centimeter cube. So these terms are originated molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity. Please you understand and see formula. Molar conductivity of electrolyte lambda m, conductance due to all the ions of volume of electrolyte which contain in 1 ml electrolyte. All the ions of electrolyte present in 1 centimeter cube, but at present in molar conductivity, all the ions present in 1 centimeter cube, these are the same quantity of ions present in 1 ml 1 mole electrolyte. So it is called molar conductivity. Lambda m equal to K into volume which contain 1 ml electrolyte. Formula lambda m equal to K into 1000 upon m. These are the formula of molar conductivity. Next term, equivalent conductivity. Please you see and understand carefully. I shall explain in English. Equivalent conductivity, conductance due to all the ions, conductance due to all the ions of that volume of electrolyte which contain in 1 gram equivalent electrolyte. Number of ions present in 1 gram equivalent electrolyte. Equivalent conductivity denoted by lambda E equal to K into V. Lambda E equal to K into 1000 upon N normality. Please comes on a numerical depend on molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity. For 0.01 normality, NaCl solution R means resistance equal to 200 ohm at 25 degree centigrade. If cell constant is unity, calculate lambda E. Lambda E means equivalent conductivity. You understand formula lambda E equal to K into 1000 upon N. K equal to 1 upon R into 1000 upon 0.01 equal to 500 Siemens centimeter square equivalent inverse. K equal to conductance into cell constant. Conductance equal to 1 upon R. Conductance equal to 1 upon R. 1 R means resistance 200. The 1 upon 200. Cell constant unity 1. So 1 into 1 upon 200 equal to 1 upon 200. These are the value of K placed in K into 1000 upon normality. Answer. This is the answer. Please comes on the next slide. I shall explain the next numerical. For a decinormal solution, resistance of electrolyte is 3.2 ohm. Understand carefully my language. 3.2 ohm. If distance between electrodes is 1.8 and area of electrode is 5.4 centimeter square, calculate number 1 cell constant, number 2 specific conductance, number 3 equivalent conductivity. First, cell constant, you understand a formula L upon A. L upon A, L A area, L distance 1.8, distance between electrode 1.8 and area 5.4 centimeter square. Calculate. After calculate 1 upon 3 centimeter inverse equal to 0.33 centimeter inverse. Calculate cell constant. Specific conductance K equal to conductance into cell constant. Conductance equal to 1 upon R, place 1 upon R. Cell constant, place cell constant 1 upon R, R equal to 3.2 into cell constant 1 upon 3, multiply equal to 1 upon 9.6 answer. Cell constant. Like, subscribe, share to video. This is your works you done carefully. Please comes on the next slide. Equivalent conductivity lambda E equal to K into 1000 upon N, K 1.91 upon 9.6. You calculate previous slide into 1000 upon 0.1. Normality near about answer 104.66 Siemens centimeter equivalent inverse answer. Relationship between molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity. Most important, this is the relation between equivalent conductivity and molar conductivity, and very easy. Molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity. Molar conductivity formula K into 1000 upon M. Equivalent conductivity K into 1000 upon N. K into 1000 cancel. Remain equal to N upon M. N equal to number of gram equivalent upon volume in liter. M equal to number of mole upon volume in liter. Volume cancel. Equal to molar mass upon equivalent mass. Equivalent mass the formula of equivalent mass equal to molar mass upon X. Value of equivalent mass placed molar mass upon X. Molar mass to molar mass cancel equal to X. What is the X? A question emerges, what is the X? I shall explain the X in next slide. Please comes on the next slide. I do explain the X. X equal to value of X for acid, for base, for salt is differently. X acid equal to number of ionizable H, base is T, base number of ionizable OH, acidity, salt total number of cations, Example H2SO4, this is the acid. Number of ionizable H, basicity H, number of H2, value of X2. NaOH, it is the base, number of ionizable OH 1, acidity equal to 1, value of X is 1. Salt, total number of cation AlCl3, Al3 positive, charge 3 positive, Al atom 1, 1 into 3 equal to 3, value of X is 3. Like, subscribe and share to video. I am R.P. Singh, an eminent expert educator of biochemistry. This is your work. Like, subscribe and share to video. You done carefully. This is a experiment. Measurement of conductivity K. This is a experiment. This is a conductivity cell. Electrodes, 1 electrodes, second electrodes, distance between 2 electrodes L, area A, non-conductive thermostat. These are enclosed in a non-conducting thermostat at 25 degrees centigrade. A electrode filled in conductivity cell, conductivity water present in electroconductivity cell, specific conductance nearly 0. Experiment with Wheatstone bridge. Resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4. Resistance 4 connected with electrodes 1, electrodes second. Resistance connected by AC current. This is a galvanometer. The deflection of galvanometer is 0. By the resistance, we calculate firstly resistance R1 upon R2 equal to R3 upon R4. R3 equal to R1 upon R2 equal to R4 into R4, resistance of cell. K equal to C into cell constant I upon R into L upon A. We calculate the conductance. Thanks for watching. All the very best. In this experiment, R3 means R4. These are the wrongly right, and these are the connected with electrolyte. These are R3 and R4. Thank you.